I'm thinking a lot. I should start my English speaking journey as soon as possible. Friends, I see that our people speak English very confidently and effortlessly. And at the time one question is get in my mind. I should start my English journey as soon as possible. So dear friends, if you want to speak English confidently and fluently, so just do and take action. Okay? In this video, I'm talk about what is the thing what is the thing I apply in my speaking journey so that I can speak English confidently and effortlessly. You know friends, friends, I see that there are people, so many people English talk in English is a very effortlessly. Yes, and at the time I think at the time I can speak English confidently and effortlessly. So this thing is encourage me. Yes, you can speak English confidently and effortlessly, but you should take action. So go ahead and take action and improve your English in the day. Okay, and I'm taking action in I'm taking action to improving my English journey, to improve myself. So, dear friends, if you think a lot, I should start my English speaking journey, yes or no? If I not speak English, so what should I do? Where I should do? Speak my English, improve my English speaking. Friends, that is thing is not enough to improve English. If you think a lot, only think a lot. Yes, I can speak English. I should start taking action. But where is I start? So that is thing is not enough. You should take your action to improve your English speaking. You should go. You should go and improve your English speaking as well as soon. Okay? As much as you can. Do it and go. Improve it yourself. Okay? So take your action as soon as possible. Even today, yes, even today you take action and go start your learning, start your speaking journey. And one day you should start speaking. No matter, doesn't matter, you have knowledge, grammar rules, doesn't matter. Okay, just go and start speaking. Even start speaking, yes, I can do it. My name is, I'm from, my study is going, whatever thing, whatever you can. Okay, but start speaking as soon as possible. Okay, and that is thing improve your English speaking is good. Okay, even today you take action and to improve, even today you take action to improve your our English, then you become a fluent speaker in a short of period. Even think a lot. I should today start. Even I should study. Only thinking. So you take a lot of time to improve your English. So just need and go. And friends, I would say, uh, I would say, in my beginning day, I have no any grammar rules because I from Hindi medium. My study complete only Hindi medium, and English medium, and my English is as a subject. I learn English as a subject, only a subject, not speaking. Even my uh, lifetime, I'm not speak English. I'm only I'm only talking to my mother tongue. I'm only talking my mother tongue, Hindi. Okay, so but that is not enough in my life. I want to achieve. I want to achieve a respect. I want to. I want to achieve everything. So that. So that is a. that is the things to encourage me. Yes, you should go and start and improve yourself and prove that you can, and prove that you can. So that is thing to encourage me. Yes, go and do it, because without making mistakes, uh, and and you are friend, you thinking a lot, you have a question. When I start speaking journey, then I have so many mistakes. I have done so many mistakes, but what should I do? So I would say making mistake is a part of life. Even if you live in being, then you make mistake a lot in our life. Even I give example, uh, if you go a cooking, then you make you make any dishes, and you add salt in a small, in a large amount, so that is mistakes. So mistake is a anywhere. Okay, mistake is a part of life. Without mistakes is not complete any work. So don't feel fear. If I make mistakes, I'm hesitate, I'm very feel fear, how I can speak English, I think I'm not able to speak English, I from Hindi medium. So many questions is coming, but no. Okay, you should improve yourself every single day. If you make mistakes, that is fine. Making mistake is part of learning, process of learning. If you learn as a subject English, if you learn English as a subject, as a subject, then you have to take a lot of time to improve your English speaking. Okay, if you take English is a language, yes, uh, English is language, and you think, yes, I'm able to speak English. So that is thing will be happen with practice. And be motivate. If you learn this language, if you learn that language, so many mistake is coming here. Yes, if you learn that is language, so many mistake is come here, and you think a lot, I should not able to speak, because there is so many mistakes in coming in my life. How I can remove those mistakes? You think a lot, but not give up. Okay, just do and go ahead to improve your English. If you take English is a very big challenge to improve your uh, speaking. So that is a thing to decrease your thought. Yes, I'm not able to speak English. If you think positive, I can speak English, I can speak English fluently. Yes, I'm able to speak English fluently without having any background, without having any environment, but yes, I can improve my English. So that is the thing to improve your English. Yes, this thing is very helpful. This thing is very helpful to improve your English. So no need to hesitate, uh, no need to feel fear. Just go and learn day by day. Okay, learn. And if you are a beginner, and you think a lot where I should start to improve my English, so I would like to suggest you one thing. You should start first your grammar. Yes, first your grammar. And grammar means tenses. You should learn your tenses first, and just you learn tense, then you learn modals. Okay, and afterward you should start speaking. Yes, and no need to speak front of other people in your beginning day. No, it's no need. Okay, because if you speak front of other people, unknown people, then that a people started laughing at you. So that is the thing, this decrease you. Okay, so no need to speak in your beginning day in a front of other unknown people. So You just need to speak at a alone, at a mirror, in mirror, front of mirror. Okay, and that is thing is very helpful in me. In my case, that is thing is very helpful me to improve my English speaking. You know friends, I would like to share my journey. In my English journey, my English learning journey only few months is complete, and I feel confident. Yes, I can speak English. I am able to speak English without environment. You know friends, I from Hindi medium. I have no environment. Even there are no any people to understand English. There is no any people to understand meaning, English meaning. So it's a very challenging, but I'm trying to learn. Okay, so improve yourself every single day, learn yourself every single day. Okay, educate yourself. Okay, no need to feel hesitate. You know friends, you see that is people very successful, but how is this? So you think a lot. I think that people no make mistake in our life, no make mistake in a beginning days, no make mistake in our learning studies. You think a lot. Yes, no mistake, but it's not. Okay, if the people successful, so that people make so many mistakes in our beginning days, in our learning, in our studying, you know, then afterward that our people become a successful. Okay, so just need, okay, improve your self, learn English. Okay, because making mistake is a process of learning. So don't afraid to make mistakes, do. And how I can speak English in front of you? That is the thing, that is the question. There are people's think a lot, how is this possible? You are a Hindi medium schools, you are from Hindi medium schools, and you have no any English environment, and you are not able to and in your previous day you are not able to speak, even you are not understand English. But how is this possible to speak English? So that is thing very help me, then today I can speak English. So that is thing will happen in my life, and I thought, yes, I can do it, and I can do it in my our life. Then today afterward I can speak English. Okay, so just need to take action, so just need to go improve yourself, go ahead and take action. Without making mistake is not possible. Make mistake, a lot of mistakes in a beginning day. You deserve making mistakes is a lot. Okay, so make mistakes and try to remove those are mistakes. If you learn English and if you make mistake, then you try to remove those are mistakes, and no need to depress about how to speak English. Okay, so that is the thing. If you do it, then afterward you will become a fluent speaker. Okay, so that is the thing you will do, and try again and again. Okay, then you will be become a fluent speaker, you will be achieve what you want. Okay, so you should go and improve yourself and prove that yes, I can do it, yes, I can do it, I can achieve everything. So that is the thing is very helpful me, and today I can speak English in front of you. So dear friends, if you like that video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and we'll meet till the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.